Have you ever opened File Explorer and suddenly discovered that an entire partition is missing? Maybe a drive letter disappeared after a partitioning mistake, accidental deletion, a system crash, or disk corruption. The good news is that, in many cases, when a partition is deleted or lost, the actual files are not erased immediately. Instead, the partition information is removed, making the operating system unable to locate and display the files. As a result, the partition disappears from File Explorer. However, the data is often still physically stored on the disk and can be recovered with the right tool. That's why it's important to stop using the affected drive as soon as possible to avoid overwriting recoverable data. In this video, I'll show you how to recover data from a lost or deleted partition using RecoveryFox AI. For this test, I'm using a 500 GB NTFS hard drive. Originally, the drive was divided into two partitions. I then deleted one of them, turning it into unallocated space. We'll recover data from that lost partition and see what RecoveryFox AI can find. If you're facing a similar situation and your partition or external drive is missing from File Explorer, first open Disk Management to make sure the device is physically connected and recognized by Windows. Once confirmed, launch RecoveryFox AI. As you can see, the software is still able to detect my lost partition and display it in the drive list. Simply select the lost partition and click Scan to begin the recovery process. RecoveryFox AI starts with its Quick Scan mode. This scan focuses on locating existing file system information and file references that may still be intact on the deleted partition. Because the file table often survives partition deletion, Quick Scan can quickly locate recoverable files without performing a deep sector-by-sector scan. As the scan progresses, recovered files begin appearing almost immediately. One major advantage of Quick Scan is that it can often preserve the original file names and folder structure, making it much easier to locate the files you need. If your partition was recently deleted and the data hasn't been overwritten, Quick Scan alone may be enough to recover everything. Once Quick Scan is complete, RecoveryFox AI automatically switches to AI scan mode. This advanced scanning technology searches deeper into the disk to uncover additional recoverable data. It can locate files that no longer have valid file system records, helping you recover files that Quick Scan may have missed. Even when files have been partially overwritten or fragmented, AI Scan attempts to intelligently reconstruct the data and rebuild complete files whenever possible. For users dealing with severe partition damage, formatted partitions, raw drives, or other complex data loss scenarios, AI Scan can significantly improve recovery results. You can pause the scanning process at any time during AI Scan. Then browse the results by file path or file type. RecoveryFox AI also supports previewing many common file formats, including images, camera photos, documents, PDFs, and even professional project files such as KD drawings. This allows you to verify file integrity before recovery. Once you've found the files you want, simply select them and click Recover. Be sure to choose a different drive as the save location to avoid overwriting any remaining recoverable data. RecoveryFox AI will then restore the selected files to your chosen destination. As you can see, the recovered files open and function properly. And that's how you can recover data from a lost or deleted partition with RecoveryFox AI. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below if you have any questions about partition recovery. Thanks for watching. I'm Reco, and I'll see you in the next video.